you're looking for great budget paintbrushes for acrylics, these are wonderful, but they have a huge flaw that's going to require you to get creative. Acrylic paintbrushes are one of the only supplies that I go cheap on. If you find the right brushes, they can perform just as well as the expensive ones. Unlike the fairy turkey, who is just not cooperating today. Come here, what are you doing? Come here. Don't play dumb, you heard me, come here. Why? This set comes with 15 nylon brushes, 2 pointless sponges,
The sponges, they're soft.
and a palette knife along with the brush holder. They claim these brushes are good for oils, acrylics, watercolor, and gouache, but for me, hard pass on anything except for acrylics. And maybe Inktense. But for acrylics, they are wonderful for the price. Not quite perfect though, so we need to talk about the huge flaw in these. I started testing these a few weeks ago on my current project. The filberts, flats, and liners all performed as I would expect, but the rounds. The fine detail I can get with this brush is crazy. It's my current absolute favorite brush ever, except if you buy these, you're going to also need to buy some glue. Clear Gorilla Glue works great, but in my case, I have a lot of frag glue for my reef tank, so there's a tail in my face. So I had to get a little creative. Sorry guys, I'm gonna need to borrow this. This is actually a very common problem for cheap brushes, but it is an easy fix. I'm just gonna squirt some glue into the metal part and shove the wood handle back in. Leave it to dry, and we are back in business with my favorite brush in the world currently. I prefer longer handles on my brushes, but for the price, I'm gonna just go ahead and deal with the short ones. After using these for a few weeks, would I buy them again? Absolutely. I actually bought some more brushes from the same company to test because I was so happy with these. Cheaply made, yes, but oh my gosh, they work great. I mean, until they fall apart and I have to steal glue from my fish tank. Sorry guys, I'm gonna need to borrow this again. This is the set I'm now going to be recommending for those new to painting with acrylics because it gives you almost everything you need to get started. A quick disclaimer, if you like painting with thick, chunky paint, these are probably not going to be the best brushes for you. You're going to want something that's a bit more firm. Simply Simmons is an example of a brush that has more firmness to it. But for those who paint with their paint thinned for fine details and smooth blending like I do, these are great.
Show them this one next.
No, not that brush. It's nearly pointless for acrylics. It's too soft for a fan brush.
But I like it. Can I keep it? You can buy these with my Amazon affiliate link in the video description.
No, that's my link.
Mine now. I have to earn some money so I can buy stuff.
What stuff do you need to buy?
I don't know. I don't have money yet.
Do you have a hard time getting thin lines with your paintbrushes? Check out this video where I show you exactly how to do it.